Okay.
Can you hear it? Did you hear
Yeah.
about it? Okay,
We're
great.
good.
Okay,
Okay, cool.
yeah,
All right.
so here's our first podcast, right? Here
This
is
is not a
our
podcast. What are you
yeah,
talking about?
yeah, I'm just
This
kidding.
is
Yeah.
this is a very little
Mm,
notification. This is a trial.
yeah.
Okay, so I'm trying to work out how to write on Zoom. Pen. Where's the
Yeah.
typing? Oh, I don't want that.
Just press T. Just press T.
Okay. All
Yeah.
right.
Yeah. I think
So we're gonna practice. You're gonna write. You can tell me a sentence, or I can give you one, and I'm going to ask you to reduce it down
what do you
for
mean?
getting to the point. Like, give me an idea,
Yeah.
or I can give you an idea. And the goal
Yeah.
is to reduce it down to the core message. Getting rid of everything that's not supporting the core
Mm.
message.
Okay, great. I got what you mean.
Do you want to give me something, or do you want me to give you something?
Yeah, you probably you first, lady first, you know.
But it's you're going to have to do it. I'm not doing it. So if I
Yeah,
give
I
you
know
something,
it.
it's going to be harder.
I know it. Yeah, I had to do it. Yeah, definitely, I had to do it. Yeah.
Okay, so if I write our team struggled because priorities kept changing without prior communication. Oh, I don't like these. Okay,
Okay,
there we
that's
go.
good. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah, yeah. You okay?
Yeah, so without prior and clear communication. There we go.
Yeah, let's think your this sentence already clear, right? Because your team's
Oh,
struggle.
it's clear.
Yeah,
But
it's
you can
clear.
make it. You can make it more direct. If you
More
were to remove what is not support, what is the core message here?
How messages like a poor communication, mislead, misand just I think just poor communication, like what else, like a poor communication, like alternatives, like unclear communication.
Unclear, yeah, but unclear communication what? Because just unclear communication does not tell me
Oh,
much about what
okay.
is said, right?
Your team has an unclear communication. Can I say?
Okay, so do you want to write that and see how
Yeah,
short it is?
yeah,
And we're
yeah,
going to keep reducing it.
yeah. Sure. Okay. I don't think your team.
I don't think that's
Yeah, yeah. That's yeah. Your team is right. It's not right word. Yeah, your team. Uh, your team. Does it make sense?
yes. However, when you say there is a problem
Mm,
and you have to basically use what follows that as the actual correct way of doing it. So if you say problem with unclear communication,
mm.
um, it's more confusing if you say problem with clear communication. Like it's the problem is that you can't communicate clearly.
Yeah. So your team has problem with the unclear communication. You mean?
We could say poor communication. I mean, unclear communication.
Yeah, with
Yeah,
the
that works, but poor. It's because there's no. It's not just clarity, right? It's the
yeah, yeah,
lack of
yeah,
heads up. There's no prior communication, so it was like very unplanned.
yeah, yeah. Okay, good.
Okay, so you've taken some of it, but you haven't kept the core message because the core message is saying that the team struggled because as a result of poor communication, right? The team
Mm,
struggled, so the team had problems with the work,
yeah.
not with the poor communication, but the poor communication was
Ah,
the reason why
dude. Okay, I got
things
it.
didn't work out
Okay,
the way they should, right?
yeah, the poor communication is a cause the team struggle the bad
Yeah.
result.
So how would you reword that?
Okay. Okay, great. I think it's
I mean, that's quite presumptuous, though, right? Nowhere does it say bad results.
yeah, because I don't know how to, the poor communication caused the teams to struggled with a bad outcome.
You could say it was bad. I mean, I would probably say something like
Yeah.
poorly communicated priority changes
Mm.
impacted the team because
Mm.
it's talking about where's the I don't know how to get to the top with prior. So it's talking about before what happened before, like didn't give any notice, right?
Yes, yes.
And talking about changing priorities.
Yeah. Okay, it's
So
came.
what was important kept changing because there was no communication about that, right? Those are the
Oh,
key
I
ideas.
know. Okay, now I got it. Now I got it. Just uh okay, let me think about for a while. Okay, so your message is trying to tell because we had a poor communication. That's why our priorities kept changing.
Yes.
Yeah,
Well, mm,
yeah. So I just how
well,
you
actually, the priorities kept changing, and it
mm,
wasn't communicated to the team. So the team
yeah.
wasn't aware of the changing priorities, and therefore it
Uh
probably impacted how they worked, right?
no,
Because
hold on. Yeah,
they
yeah. Okay. But the thing is
so
about
today
you.
your goal might be the priority might be to produce
Yeah,
10
I know.
presentations,
Yeah,
and then
yeah.
all of a sudden tomorrow it's like no, we only need 5, but I didn't tell you this,
Yeah. We had yeah, we can change our priorities because there's
and I
no
didn't tell you, right?
yes, and with the poor communication and our team had illusion. That's why we keep changing our priorities.
Yep.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay. Oh, shame. I really okay with the bad
Although
communication.
illusion is probably not the word to use in a work
Okay.
professional language. You don't really use illusion.
Yeah. Misunderstanding,
Yeah, misunderstanding or confusion.
confusion, and confusion with you know what's Sophie, I just tell you what I just said, but I just immediately forget.
What, misunderstanding, confusion?
No, no, just the sentence I just said. With the poor
Well, think about
communication.
what you, it's not about memorizing, it's about what did you understand the
Yeah,
short
yeah,
version of this to be, right?
yes, yeah. With the poor
You don't
communication.
have to replicate exactly what you said, but if you can do
Yeah,
another version of it, that's fine.
yeah. With the poor communication, we had changed. We changed. We kept the change with the poor communication and. With the poor communication, with the poor communication, it costs confusion, it costs confusion, confusion. See,
Around priorities, I would say.
yeah. It costs our wrong priorities. That's why we keep changing our
It
priorities.
caused confusion around
Yeah,
the priorities
yeah,
because it's
yeah.
not necessarily right or wrong. It's more about what is the priority right now.
Our priority. It with the poor communication. It causes confusion on our priorities. P R P R I O O R.
Yeah,
Yeah, with the poor communication, it causes confusion on our priorities. We kept changing it, right? Can I say
yeah.
we kept change it?
You don't need to say we kept changing it if you want to be, we're trying to be short here
Yeah,
and concise.
yeah,
So we
yeah,
already know it keeps changing.
yeah,
Otherwise, it wouldn't be a problem.
yeah. I can feel yeah. I think I should add it because shame. It costs around our priorities, right? Because I just did something wrong. Okay.
So
Yeah, yeah. Hold on. PR.
it caused confusion,
It,
right? It
okay.
didn't.
Yeah, it caused. Yeah, sorry. Confusion around our priorities.
Yeah. But I would say you don't need to say with the poor communication. You can
Look,
just put poor communication.
okay, poor communication. Okay. Poor communication.
Caused
Cost. Okay, cost. Okay, cost.
confusion
Around our priorities.
around our priorities. Or you could probably put around the team's priorities because our is not very
Um,
specific,
yeah, our
whereas we're talking
team.
about in a team environment. Yeah.
Yeah.
But also, I would say
Mhm.
confusion is spelled wrong.
Confusion. Oh yeah. C CONFUSION. Confusion. That's correct.
Yeah.
Yeah, confusion.
Yep.
Okay, great.
So there you go. So I think now you need to come up with an idea, like a
Mm,
sentence, and
mm.
try and find another way to reframe it while
This one?
shortening it.
This one?
You just not this one. You come up with something from like
I
that's
come up
yours.
something like okay. Should I type it first?
You can talk about it or type it,
Okay,
whatever
okay,
you want,
okay,
but it
okay,
has to come
okay.
from you.
Yeah, yes. Okay, so I think that's a very good idea. It's about people has a limited time. You know the point I'm telling you. Yeah, we discuss about it. Like everyone has a limited time. Like if you want to achieve something, you have to sacrifice something else.
Okay. So what is the point though? When you say if you want to cheat something, you have to sacrifice something. What is the point? What is the underlying message?
Uh,
Because that could be interpreted in many ways, right?
yeah, yeah. The interpretation, the core message, I think is probably not probably. Yeah. So I shouldn't use probably. Yeah, the core message is get something and lose something. Oh, it's more confusion. That makes you, yeah, that makes you more confusion. Isn't okay? I probably should write it down and I just refer.
Okay.
Yeah,
So you're saying if you want to
yeah,
get something, you have to sacrifice something.
yeah. People's everyone's time. A everyone's time. It has a limitation. When we want achieve something, is it something we had to sacrifice SCRI soccer CRIFI how to spell
Sacra. So break it down.
yeah.
Sac.
SAC right sac
Yep. Cra.
cra cra cra
Yeah. So sacra. R.
ra FISE fast
Sacra. I can't see you typing at all.
really
I can see the green. Okay. No.
can you see now
Sacra. R is not RA.
r
Think
e
about it. It's not ra. It's r.
r r
Yeah.
r soccer
RI. Yep. Fice.
five how to spell five
So phi.
FAIC
Ice.
okay oh
Yep.
sacrifice what's a sacrifice. Yeah, that's my my point. So should I try to refer?
Okay.
Should I try to refer me?
Yes, but I think first, can we make the grammar corrections? There's some minor grammar.
Okay. The
So you don't need it between
this every time everyone's time has a limitation. Has a limitation.
limitations because we're not talking about one.
Yeah, yeah, limitation. Yeah, limitation.
Limitation. So limitation is also spelt incorrectly currently.
Uh, LIMITION. Limitations. It's still wrong.
Yeah.
Limitation.
Or if I read what you wrote, I would say limitation.
Limitation. How
That's
to
what you've spelt.
yeah, limitation.
But it's limitation, right?
Limitation. I mean,
So think about limit is the word first, limit,
I limit
and then Asian.
Asian.
Limitation.
Limitation.
So
Limit.
there's missing a T because
Missing.
shin in English is spelled with a T.
Yeah.
Tion. pronounces
Uh,
it's pronounced shin.
limitation. It is
Yep, yep,
lim
that's it.
okay. Limitations. Limitations. Okay, limitations. Okay. When we want to achieve something, we had to,
Achieve.
yeah.
Is that the correct spelling of achieve?
SHIVE SHI SC achieve.
Achieve, Eve.
It's
So
achieve.
it's almost right before.
Achieve.
E, EVE. Yep, yep.
Achieve. Yeah, achieve something. Yeah.
We have to sacrifice something else. So sacrifice rather than sacrifices, because you're not talking
Okay.
about multiple.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So based on this, I think probably except grammar, I think once it's something achieve something like we had to make it specific. Like maybe it's a goal, right? Maybe you want to learn something. Like if we want to learn something, we have to sacrifice our time.
Something else. It
Yes.
comes at a cost.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, that's right.
So try and reframe it.
Now.
Yeah. So
Okay.
this is quite direct. This is quite good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, wait,
Yeah.
limitations is still not correct. Limitations like this.
Limitation. Okay, great. Okay. You can just zoom it up. Do you know it? If you can see clearly, you can zoom it.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Uh, no.
What?
I'm
Okay.
not used to using this. It's not going up.
Okay,
Oh, it's
great.
because I've been Zoom.
Yeah. Okay, great. Okay,
Okay.
so I think my idea is very directly now. Just okay, if I want to make it shorter, if you want, uh,
Your original idea is pretty clear, but I just want to see if you've got the flexibility of saying it in another way.
yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, I'm done.
I know, I'm just trying to think about how I can. So you're introducing a new idea here that was not previously introduced, and that's the thing wonderful.
Yes.
Where have
Yeah.
you said wonderful in the previous text? You
Mm,
just simply talk about achieving something, right? It
mm,
doesn't mean it's achieving something that you want to achieve. It doesn't mean it's achieving something. Well, it doesn't mean it's some. Oh, it is something you want to achieve, but it doesn't mean it's something that's wonderful or
mm,
good or bad. It's just something
mm,
you want to achieve. So
mm.
now you're introducing wonderful in here that isn't really
Yeah.
keeping true to your original message.
Yeah, yeah, you're right. It's
This
true.
is like that thing we talked about yesterday about how when you one person talks to another person about an idea, by the end, by
Yeah,
10 people later, it's like the idea is completely different.
yeah, that's right. Yeah, so that's a language. So I had to keep my original idea. Just if you want to do something, actually, if you want to, I don't want to use something, like if you
You
want,
don't have to change the words entirely, right? It's just approaching what you said from a different, like in a different way.
oh, if you want to approach something, you have to spend, you have to sacrifice something else.
Think about the word priority that we used before. That's something that you can use in here.
Yeah, if you want to, yeah, yeah, that's right. if you want to do something, if you want to do a thing as your, uh, if you want to make a thing as your priority, you have to lose something. You have to sacrifice your time on it. That doesn't make it.
Well, you could, I mean, it's short of me giving you an answer, but I would say something like prioritizing what we want to achieve
Yeah.
comes at the cost
Mhm.
of, you know, a trade off or giving something else up.
Yeah. Could you tap it? Thank you.
So I would actually incorporate the time thing as well.
Yeah.
So
You
if I
just,
say something like,
you just,
since our time is limited,
yeah.
um, pursuing one priority
Mm.
often requires giving up another.
That's wonderful. That's amazing. Yeah.
Oops,
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
It's not amazing, but it's just an easy reframe.
Yeah. Okay. So it's mine just
I
really,
think it's quite good for you to practice this reframing
yeah, you're right.
because it's forcing you to use your vocabulary a little bit more in the right way. Because if
Yeah,
you don't choose the right one, for example, when you say wonderful, you're
yeah,
like, actually that's not the right use of that vocabulary, and it's not what I'm trying to say.
yeah.
So
Yeah,
it's a good exercise.
exactly. That's what I'm lacking.
So let's do another one.
Yeah. So yeah, since our time's limited, pursuing one
I'll give
pair.
you a topic.
Yeah, of course. Okay, enough. Just give it to me.
I'm thinking about what we talked about. So it's important making your own meals is an important part of a healthy lifestyle.
Let's read it. Okay.
Let
So
me write it.
yeah, let's already
I'm
read
going to
the
make it longish. Oh, oops, the hell was
slides.
that?
Yeah.
I don't know what just happened.
Mm,
Okay, let me do this. Oh no, what happened?
mm.
I don't like this. I must say, I don't like this
Okay,
board.
maybe next time we can move to the Google Meeting, right? It's Google Meeting.
Yeah, I just this zero. Okay, here we go.
Mm,
Um, making your own meals
mm,
is an important part of healthy lifestyle. You know exactly what
mm.
you are eating.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Do. I'll just try to make it. Why you add this? You can just remove it. Yeah.
I was trying to move the thing and then it just
This
error.
sorry.
See, you just did it too.
Yeah, shame. Yeah, that works. Okay. Don't just try to stretch it from the corner, not like a point, the cursor, the red blue dot.
I know this is why this thing is shit.
Yeah, it's a shame. Yeah. So making your own meals is an important part of the healthy lifestyle because you know exactly what you're eating. Yeah. Okay, so the code is about healthy and you know what you're eating,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah,
Making and first making you cook you cook your meals and you know the
yeah,
ingredients. You the meal you cook, you know the ingredients, and it's healthier than the outside eat. I think. Okay, I'm
yeah.
trying.
Except you gotta make that smoother because healthier than outside eat is not
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
not good.
yeah.
But what you said, you're on the right track. You're definitely doing the right thing. Just think about using
Mm,
the right order of words.
yeah.
So structure.
Oh, shame. Sugary sucks.
I, what did I tell you?
Oh,
Okay, this is very simple. This one. So I think don't try to complicate it.
no, there's no whiteboard. You know, the whiteboard is empty.
Oh, it's still there for me.
Okay. Open another. Okay. Hold on, give me a second. Refresh and oh yeah, so it's really sucks. Yeah.
You're like, it's great. It's what everyone uses. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, shame.
Look, you say it. Just say it.
Okay, as
You don't
okay.
need the writing. So
Yeah,
we were talking about the meals we cook.
the meals we cook, we know exactly the ingredients. It will make more healthier for us.
Yeah,
A
so that, but
yeah,
I think what
a
you said before was better, but I don't remember exactly. I think what you said before, it's as simple as cooking
yeah,
is healthier than eating out
yeah,
because we
yeah,
have control over what goes into our food.
yeah. The meals you cook, you know the exact, you know the ingredients is much healthier than the we eating outside.
Yes. Or eating out. You don't say
Eating
outside
out,
because outside means
eating
eating
out.
outdoors.
Yeah, eating out. Okay, eating out.
Yeah. So eating
Eating
out.
out.
Yeah.
Eating out. Okay, great. Time's up.
Okay. You need to practice some of this, I think.
Yeah, yeah. I just practice right now.
You've got so many things you need to practice.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah. So see you have a good day.
But
Yeah.
that's okay. Also, when you think about when you read something, try to reframe it. Just practice it.
Okay.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Have a good evening.
Yeah, you
Okay.
too.
Bye.
Bye 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 bye.